Welcome guys to another alluring episode of Cars with Calvin, and in today's review series we are kicking off with one of the most efficient cars in Kenya, and not only in Kenya but in the world in general. So please consider hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like so that this video can be recommended to a lot of people. It's been said the modern automobile is a study in the never-ending battle between style and substance. Perhaps no vehicle illustrates this time-honored truism better than the 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Evogue. With the fashion-forward Range Rover Evogue, it is now available in a 4-door hatchback, a 2-door coupe, and a new convertible. The 4-door hatchback is available in 5 trim levels, that is SE, SE Premium, HSE, HSE Dynamic, and Autobiography. The coupe can be had only in SE Premium trim. The convertible is offered in SE Dynamic and HSE Dynamic trim. This is a crossover utility vehicle that's been transformed into a sort of personalized car, and it is a trend-setting configuration that lots of people don't understand. The Evogue is really meant for fast, sporty driving, and its 240 horsepower turbocharged engine, responsive handling, and refined compliant suspension make it an energetic partner for driving. It has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 240 horsepower and 339 Newton meters of torque that drives all 4 wheels by a 9-speed automatic transmission, where it does 0 to 100 kilometers in just 8.5 seconds. The extensive list of standard creature comforts have a uniquely British character, including leather seats upholstery, a panoramic glass roof, and an 11-speaker audio system. Like all Land Rovers, the Evogue has substance to back up its good looks. Its all-wheel drive system makes it supremely capable when the road surface is slippery, and the Land Rover's clever terrain response configures the system for a wide variety of conditions, from ice and snow to gravel and mud. The new crawl control acts like a slow-speed cruise control for really challenging traction situations, allowing the driver to focus on simply steering the vehicle. Standard safety features on the 2017 Range Rover Evoque include anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, trailer sway control, front seat side airbags, a driver's side knee airbag, side curtain airbags, front and rear parking sensors and cameras. Other safety features include blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, a 360 degrees parking camera, and forward collision warning system that actually can apply the brakes if it detects an imminent collision. Step inside the 2017 Range Rover Evoque and you'll find a passenger cabin that looks great. Front seats offer good comfort and support, and the heated and ventilated versions are a boon in climate extremes. The rear seats are another matter entirely. However, the sloping roofline reduces headroom dramatically. Getting in and out of the rear seats can be a bit bit of a challenge, especially in the two-door coupe and the convertible model. Lastly, the Evogue's cargo capacity is diminished due to that downswept roofline. The four-door hatchback offers just 575 liters of storage behind the rear seats and 1,444 liters with those seats folded down. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to like so that the video can get recommended to more YouTube users. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, adios.